In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fade in and fade out music in Kdenlive. Fading your music effectively can add a professional touch to your projects, and it's an essential skill for any video editor. Let's dive right into the process. First, make sure you've opened your Kdenlive project and located the music clip you wish to edit on your timeline. The timeline is where all your editing magic happens, and it's crucial to keep it organized. So with your music clip easily accessible, you're ready to begin. Now, if you want to add a fade-in effect, move your mouse over to the top left corner of the music clip. As you hover there, you'll notice a green circle appearing. This circle is your key to creating a smooth, gradual increase in volume at the beginning of your clip. Simply click on that green circle and drag it towards the right. The more you drag, the longer the fade-in will be. Next, let's look at how to create a fade-out effect. It's a similar process, but on the opposite end of the clip. Take your mouse to the top right corner and you'll see a red circle appear. This circle allows you to lower the volume gradually toward the end of the clip. Click and drag this red circle to the left to create your fade out. The transition will feel natural and seamless, leaving a professional finish to your edit. After applying both fade in and fade out effects, you'll notice a fade panel appears on the right side of your screen. This panel is extremely useful for fine-tuning. It gives you a visual slider for both the fade-in and fade-out durations, providing you with complete control over how long you want each effect to last. Adjusting these sliders can help you match the music's fade to your project's narrative pacing. Kdenlive's approach to fading is not only quick, but also non-destructive, meaning you can adjust, remove, or reapply these effects as often as you need without any loss of quality. The visual curves shown on the timeline clearly depict your transition effects, enabling you to make precise changes just by clicking and dragging. Finally, once you've applied your fades, it's important to play back your project to listen carefully to these transitions. Make sure they sound natural and enhance the overall feel of your video. It's always a good idea to check your work to ensure it meets your project's requirements. And that's it. Now you know how to fade in and fade out music in Kdenlive. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you